Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to tell you a very simple task. The work that I am going to tell you about today can be done easily even by small children. You may you may note now that little children can do our work with great comfort because this is a very easy task that you can do sitting at home very comfortable. You, you have often seen what is called a storyboard. A storyboard is a story of friends that people show only in pictures. If you guys have to tell the story in pictures in the same way, then you guys will start earning a lot of money. Let me walk you through the task now. You can see on the computer screen how it works. You must have heard of Canva because you can create storyboards on it. You guys have to come and write a storyboard in the same way. Some picture like this will come in front of you guys. If you can't tell a story in pictures, then start doing it quickly so that you can start earning money like other people. Let me show you guys how we do it by making some pictures. How how can you tell a story in picture? You can also put your own image on it. Now you must be thinking that we can do this work, but where will we find the people who will pay for this work? So friends, no need to worry. You must have heard the name Fiverr. A lot of people on Fiverr do this kind of thing. Fiverr storyboard serves available 1100. I take you guys to Fiverr and show you how many people are working. I will draw storyboard in any art style. $10. can see here how much money these people are charging to tell stories in picture. Draft sketch for frame on a panel per frame for custom offer text $80. So if you guys want to earn money, then you guys should also quickly create an account on Fiverr and start your work. I hope you guys like this idea of mine. I will draw storyboard for your film and commercial. One day delivery, line drawing, 5 frame included, add background scene, include color in illustration, $100. I will draw storyboard illustration for film footage, $250. Open page with 6 frame of dog black and white stitch, $250. So if you guys like this video of mine, then please like and share it.